Alright, YouTubers, I'm going to do a video. I'm patching a roof until I'm able to put one on more permanent. So I'm going to show you what's going on here. That, my friends, is a hole in my roof. Well, I cut it. I cut the hole. It used to look like this. That's what it used to look like. I'm going to have to do several short videos. This here's a 2x6 that goes across from one side of the home to the other. All of that is eventually going to get replaced along with all of this. And going to my studs, I'm going to try to do this work today as well. I'm asking a lot out of myself, but need to get it done. Here's why we had this rot issue. Somebody screwed into the side of the building. Oh, there's my friend. I'm going to have to vacuum him up in a minute. Red wasp. But back to somebody screwed something. See? We got happy right there. But if anybody sees anything that I'm doing that they wouldn't do, or if I'm doing something correct, let me know. When they made the home, they made them never-ending studs on the window frame. Goes up there, stops. Go down there, stops. And then they made them biodegradable studs that deteriorate after 20-something years. But give you an idea. This is what I'm doing. I did a video before. I don't think I posted. I had a lot of things going on, but if anybody wants to give me a like, thumbs up, share, whatever it is y'all want to do, it's much appreciated. Here's another one of my soon-to-be vacuumed up buddies. But let me know. Appreciate it. I'll give you an update in about, by the end of the day. Today is the 14th, March 14th, 2021. But, alrighty. Y'all have a good one. Check you out.